volume on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turned to a savage, pocket got fatter, she call me daddy.
Hey everybody, I'm back with another video, and in this video your girl is going to teach you how to start a YouTube channel, because we all know you want to know, so this is what I'm here for. I'm gonna just be talking about how I started and like the basics and where I'm at now, and I'm gonna show y'all how to edit and do all that cool stuff. I don't be doing no cool stuff, but I know a little some. So yes, I hope y'all enjoy this video. So when I started YouTube, I didn't have a ring light, so I used these lights right here, and I got them from Home Depot, and I think they were both $12, including like with these light bulbs, and not this one, but this type. And it kind of looks like this, but it works, y'all. When I say it works, it works. And honestly, I still use them, but the light bulbs are out, so baby, oh well. So but if you don't want to buy those lights, get somewhere where there's a lot of windows. Like in my room, I have 3 windows, very big and nice and spacious, where a lot of natural light can come in and hit me, so I can get that glowy look, you know. And I love these windows. Another tip is buy you a little table where you can set all your products or whatever you're trying to do on them, so you don't be, you know, reaching on the floor like I used to. I used to like have all my stuff on the floor, but my mom got me this and it's changed my life. I usually have it a lot closer, so it'll be easier for me just to grab. And honestly, I really should start making videos right there, but you know, excuse the dirt, but that natural light be helping me. So yeah. Hey, so when I first started back in like 2016, I had an iPhone 6 and an iPhone 6 Plus, and honestly, I have no problem filming on my phone. It's probably like one of the best cameras you can film on. But as time went on, of course, I bought me a camera. But as of right, bro, oh my god. Okay, well first I'm gonna start off with some tips. And my first tip would be, when you start off, make sure you have everything together. Make sure you know what your channel is gonna be about. I would say be like frequent on it. Don't give up, like, because honestly it took me 6 months before I actually started to get views, and I just kept making videos. You know, I was like, ooh, 100 views, I'm getting somewhere. So like I just kept doing it, and one day, you know, my video went viral. So I would just say, don't give up, keep trying, because I mean, what do you have to lose? I mean, and then at the same time, the same people that was doubting you, it's going to be the same people that's going to be in your face when you're popping. Remember that. So that's what I have. That's my first tip. I'm going to think of something. All right, tip number 2. When you about to make a video, don't be on no boring stuff. Like, be on some, I'm my own person. I don't care what he say or she say, because I'm going to do me type stuff. Because we don't want to be like everybody else. We want to be different. We want more flavor. So what I do, can y'all stop? What I do to get hype is I turn my speakers on and I play my favorite song. I mean, I know this has nothing to do with it, but at the end of the day, it all helps. You know what I'm saying? I always keep the coffee on me. Always. I be like this. Hold on. Let me turn this up. Y'all like my outfit? Yeah! Now I'm feeling good. I'm ready to make this video. I can go all day. So, as time went on, my mom bought me a ring light for my birthday, on my 18th birthday, or was it my 17th birthday? It was one of them. I think it was my 17th. No, it was my 18th. For my 18th birthday. And that's honestly the best thing she could have ever did for me. And y'all, they're not high. They cost about, they range from like $70 to $100 on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Y'all should really invest in a ring light, like, because girl, honestly, I don't even know how I was taking pictures without the ring light. If you have a ring light and a nice little iPhone, you should be good. starting a YouTube channel is not hard. I mean, it may look hard or may look like it's just so much you gotta do, and you may think, oh my gosh, I don't know how to edit, or I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that. But y'all, there's so many answers to that in this video. Girl, just kidding. Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all how I edit my videos, and it's very simple. Like, it doesn't take no type of time. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me start to screen record. Okay, the first thing I do is I go to iMovie, of course, and I push movie. Can you come on? Okay, and then I have all this stuff. I'm going to select one, create movie. Oh sure. Okay, create movie. And alright, tip number 2. See, basically what I do is, like, let me show you how to cut. When I don't want a part in there, I just push it, push split, split again, delete, and then boom. It'll go like that. You can change it to whatever you want. If you want it to slide, you can have it to slide. Boom. Or say I'm doing a tutorial and it's kind of long and I need it to be faster. I'm gonna push this little time button and push it to the last one, so the video will go a lot faster. Like this. Or say, like, I want to let's see, if I want to add a song, let me show y'all my trick. I have this app called Video Saver, and what I do is I go to this app, if it will hurry up, okay, and I go to, where I go, oh no, wrong, oops, I go to internet download browser, and then I type in YouTube. Most of the time I already have the link and I just copy and paste. Oh, let me turn my internet back on. Most of the time I already have, like, the link, but I push the song and then it does the download thing by itself. Oh wait, oops. Push that, push save, and then I go back to iMovie, push the add button, videos, recently added. Usually it's at the bottom. And then see, when you want to like play the song but not have the video showing, you push the little zigzaggy button with the plus, and then boom, the music is right there. Then you can cut off the sound and cut this up like this. Why can't I hear it? Oh yeah. And then boom. It's simple, girl. But make sure the music is not copyrighted. Like, I wouldn't use that song. But yeah, that's basically what I do to edit, like, literally. What do you have to lose? Like, it's basic, it's easy, just do it. Honestly, it's nothing really much to it. Honestly, this is my setup right now. All I do is look in this mirror most of the time. This is where I put my camera, my ring light. I have this one studio light just like to be above my head so I can get more light. Like, see, you see it's kind of gloomy outside, so this really helps. And then just my table full of my stuff that I need. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me if you want part 2 so I can show you how to edit some more and, like, do some real high-tech stuff.